Well, during his bi-weekly press conference yesterday to let us know Idaho has not done enough to advance past and out of stage 4 of his reopening Idaho plan, Governor Brad Little spent about a minute during his prepared remarks to point out how the state is improving when it comes to how we are handling the pandemic. According to Governor Little, we have sufficient healthcare workers, we have plenty of personal protective equipment, we're good on ventilators and ICU beds. He said we're meeting the demands of testing for our healthcare workers. We are seeing downward trends in overall case counts as well as our percent positivity rates. The governor wanted us to know emergency room visits for those with COVID-like symptoms are on the decline. And he wanted those persons of the press in the room and watching from a distance. This is the COVID context we should be concerned with.
To my reporter friends, I ask that you cover these points. What I frequently read on your posts is just the daily case counts, especially in the areas of the most spread. Clearly, our decision-making is based on more than just daily case numbers.
Well, that request was made hours before the state posted its highest daily total of new COVID cases, 763 yesterday. But let's not look at that. Without getting into all the other ways that we've provided context since mid-March, how about this context? How about the latest numbers on the state's website? It shows the number of COVID patients in the hospital as of August 3rd, that's the latest number, at 242. The highest daily total since those numbers have been tracked. How about deaths? As of yesterday, we had 9 new deaths across the state, 7 of those in the Treasure Valley. Not the worst day we've had when it comes to COVID-related deaths, but enough to push us past at least one statewide milestone. That 9 gives us 227 COVID deaths so far. And because people like COVID comparisons, that's more people who have died from COVID in Idaho in 5 months than the number of people who died in car crashes in all of last year. In fact, between 2015 and 2019, according to Idaho Transportation Department, there was an average of 234 fatalities a year on Idaho's roads. So far this year, there have been 104 deaths caused by car crashes. Hopefully that'll help with the context.